So what exactly does good preparation look like when you have to study and learn from home?
In this next video, I want you to look for two things. First, how many distractions can you spot? And second, which one of those distractions do you have on your desk?
There were a number of potential distractions in that video, from listening to music to watching TV, to having multiple tabs open on the iPad. The truth is, it's really hard to fully focus on your work if you have a messy desk full of distractions. That means good preparation is clearing your workspace so you can fully focus on the task at hand. As you can see, we think online student workshops should be
Research-based,
practical
value for money,
and really fun to do.
and if this sounds exactly what you'd like for your students, then go to the InnerDrive Online Academy now.